Kailan nyo nabigay yung social amelioration? End of May. Nag-uusap tayo niyan March and start of April. Tapos hindi kayo magtataka ba't galit ang tao? Hindi kayo magtataka bakit galit ang ating mga kababayan at ang Kongreso? Di sana, hindi namin niratsyada yung batas. Sana 1 week namin ginawa yung batas, nilagay na namin sa batas yung procedure. Akala namin we will continue to coordinate pag hindi, nagmarunong na. Para magkaroon po ng konteksto, no? Ito po ang pinag-usapan namin ng mga sekretary bago kaming imbitahin sa Malacanang ng March 21. March 21 po, ito pa rin ang pinag-usapan namin. March 23, inumaga kami dito hanggang March 24. Ito po ang pinag-usapan namin. Ano po ang pinag-usapan? Ibibigay namin sa inyo ang powers through bayanihan, we heal as one, kasi kailangan nyo ng flexibility. Pero more or less, ito yung sistema. Una, magbubuo ng team. Law enforcement, police o militar, barangay official, municipal or provincial official, DSWD official, and homeowners official. Pangalawa, mag-house to house kayo. Sa house to house, bibigyan nyo ng form para malaman kung sino ang qualified sa SAP at sinong hindi. Mamaya, tignan nyo yung official form. Yung official form nyo, hindi nakalagay doon DSWD. Ang nakalagay doon, lahat ng agencies. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-fill up at hindi dapat DSWD ang magbibigay, yung form na yon ibibigay natin, whether sa SSS, whether sa DOLE. No? And then, after the assessment, babalikan nyo house to house, dala nyo na yung ayuda, may dalang cellphone para kunan ng camera. So makikita nyo, it's a very simple process. We did a time and motion dito. Assuming everyone cooperated, less than 1 week, longest 2 weeks. So ang tingin namin dyan, 2 to 3 days yung initial house to house. Then another 3 to 4 days to distribute. Sasabihin nyo, sir, madaling sabihin yan. Hindi madaling sabihin, ginagawa namin. Nag-house to house kami pag eleksyon Kwinikwenta namin kung paano namin uubusin ang lahat naming barangay. Mr. Chairman, during COVID, ilan barangay na naikot mo? Chairman Alvarado.
Ako po ay naka 153 barangays na.
Isang ikot lang yon?
Hindi po isang ikot yun, maraming ikot po.
150 barangays na ikot niya, solo. Ito po, different teams sabay-sabay nating gagawin. Ang problema, after napasa yung batas, nagtataka ako, before po COVID, napakaganda ng ating coordination. Bawat galaw nag-uusap tayo. Pangangailangan ninyo, binibigay namin. Budget nyo, binibigay namin. Pagka may problema sa circular, ina-amend namin. At si Yusek Amy Neri ang inyong representative. At tinanong ko kay Secretary Sec, sino ba liaison mo? Sabi si Yusek Amy. Pero pagkatapos namin ipasa yung batas, biglang ito ang ipapakita nyo sa amin. Yan ang proseso na ginawa nyo. 30 steps. Yan po ay based sa guidelines na pinasa nyo sa DSWD. At during that time, nag-uusap tayo. Iniisa-isa natin. And then bigla nyo sinabing gagawin nyo na lang gusto nyo at may tumawag sa akin galing Malacanang, pagbigyan muna kayo dahil yan ang tingin yung tama. Pinagbigyan namin kayo pero winorningan namin. At nag-Zoom meeting kami ng mga kabinete kasama si Secretary Rolly. At sabi ko, Secretary, sana mali ako. Pero pag yan ang ginawa mo, 2-3 linggo hindi pa kayo tapos. So, to be fair, Yusek, nag-usap tayo, inamendahan natin yan. But still, ayaw nyo magbigay ng SAC form sa bawat isa. Hindi na namin in-insist. Kailan nyo nabigay yung social amelioration? End of May. Nag-uusap tayo niyan March and start of April. Tapos hindi kayo magtataka ba't galit ang tao? Hindi kayo magtataka bakit galit ang ating mga kababayan at ang Kongreso? Di sana, hindi namin niratsyada yung batas. Sana 1 week namin ginawa yung batas, nilagay na namin sa batas yung procedure. Akala namin we will continue to coordinate pag hindi, nagmarunong na. I don't know how many of your regional directors now are career and how many are newly appointed. May I ask quickly, Yusek? Ilan ang newly appointed? Ilan ang career?
Senior USEC of DSWD.
Yusek for administration. Ilan ang bago niyong Yusek? Ay, regional director. Ilan ang career?
Pakipindot po. Pakipindot po.
If you don't have the exact number, sir, I won't put you on the spot. But what? 80% are career or?
We have 16 regional directors right now, Your Honor, and we have around half of them are career officials.
Half of them are not career.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll go back to that point later on, but I think that's part of the problem because you're heavily relying on your regional directors, pero hindi naman sila career, so many of them don't know what to do. Okay, I'll go back to, it was Father's Day yesterday, at gusto ko munang batiin lahat kayo ng Father's Day, at lalong-lalo ang ating Pangulo, na tatay ng ating bayan, no? And alam niyo naman po ang tatay eh. Ang tatay gagawin lahat para sa kanyang anak. And I'm sure here, DSWD wants to do everything for their children. But hindi naman po tayo pare-pareho ng kakayahan eh. I was with the President when he listened to all the scientists and all the doctors. Bakit? Kami ni Presidente, abogado kami. Hindi naman kami doktor eh. So pagdating sa health crisis, nakinig kami sa kanila. I don't know on DSWD, kanino kayo nakinig sa pagdidistribute na ganyan? Expert ang mga taga-Congress, expert ang governor at mayor at barangay sa pag-iikot dyan. Like the President, Congress also wants what is best for our kababayans. Not just giving the immediate help that they need now, but in making sure that they recover and will be able to help themselves tomorrow. We need to give them fish. Yung po yung social amelioration. But we also have to teach them how to fish in the new and better normal. Diyan po papasok naman yung coordination ng DSWD, sa TESDA, sa DOLE, hindi naman sa inyo lahat yan. But that goes to 4Ps. In the last administration, sinabi ko na sa huling Secretary Dinky, at nakinig. Sabi ko, ma'am, ano ba ang 4Ps? Pantawid. Gusto ba natin makatawid lang tao? Gusto natin yumaman? Gusto natin makaangat. Yung pantawid is the first step. So sabi ko, why don't you link them up with the local government? Katulad namin. So you're giving them a few thousand a month. Kami, we will give them scholarship. We will give them livelihood training. We will give them puhunan. Para after a few years, graduate sila, hindi panay dole out lang. I've been saying that for the last 6 years. Ngayon nagka-COVID, pwede nyo naman ibigay sa mayors yung 4Ps na listahan. Ayaw nyo ibigay. Nakadelay na naman kayo ng 2 linggo dahil ayaw nyo ibigay. Sa Taguig, tinanong ko sa kapatid ko, Mayor Lino, anong ginawa mo? Nilista ko, kuya, lahat ng ilista, tapos binigay ko sa DSWD. Anong ginawa nila? Tinanggal nila yung sa 4Ps. Nalaman mo rin kung sinong 4Ps. Sumulat pa kami sa inyo na meron naman data privacy law. So don't you think that if the mayors can coordinate with the 4Ps, mas na makakatulong ito? Diba? But you ignored our advice on it. And okay lang kung tama kayo, mali kayo eh. Nakadelay na nga ng 2 weeks, mas nahihirapan ngayon yung sa 4Ps. Karamihan to na sa 4Ps, walang pambiling tablet yan. Sa blended learning. Kasi nga, yan yung poorest of the poor eh. Kung may listahan na sana yung mga LGUs ngayon, I heard you're giving some, but some wala pa rin, sana na-compute na nila kung paano i-purchase to. It is sad that amid this and many of these challenges and opportunities, not just in government, and not just in the lives and livelihoods of people, we see that in our everyday, yung hinuhugot natin strength and inspiration ng ating kababayan is in God, is in prayer, in each other. This is true activism. Activism at the truest and finest form is when we make a difference, not by tearing down things, but finding ways to fix things and building something that is better. Anyone here in this hall is free to criticize. Pero ang instructions po namin sa amin sarili, constructive criticism. Feel the same way po. You can criticize us, criticize the law, criticize what are doing. Basta't constructive. But meron po kasing iba sa ating pong bayan, gusto mag-fail ang Pangulo eh. Gusto mag-fail itong ginagawa natin. Di ba? So, walang problema kung may failure at gusto nilang tumulong para mag-succeed. Pero yung gusto nila tayo mag-fail, parang yung ginawa nila na fail SEA Games, kawawa naman ating mga kababayan if we fail in addressing our people's needs. So let me also give comfort to the DSWD. There will be heated discussions here. But we will respect you, you will be comfortable, and we will find solutions together. No? History will look back at this time and judge us. Did this bring the best in us, or did it bring out the worst with us? And yes, hihimayin natin yung last 3 months. But not for the purpose to say, kasalanan ni Alan, kasalanan ni Jonathan, kasalanan ni Mike. At madalas dito, kasalanan ni Dong at saka ni Congressman Dong and DS Pimentel, Johnny. No? Hindi po yun yung purpose dito. Ang purpose dito, if you agree with us na mali, baguhin natin. If you disagree with us, convince us na tama yung inyong ginawa. So on this note, let me just say that a true and vibrant democracy needs oppositionists. But it also requires responsible criticism, responsible oppositionists who will oppose what is wrong, and when it is right, will jump in to help. And we need activists, but activists that will not blow up churches, airports, kill our soldiers and police, but activists that will help us solve the present problems. So in the end, no, so shortcutting ko po, kung ano lang yung tama at mali. 1980s, hirap na hirap po ang Pilipinas. 1986, nagka-EDSA Revolution. Many parts of the country, especially during FBR's time, umunlad. Pero tignan niyo po ang Davao. Davao was a killing fields. But because we had a vice mayor and then Mayor Duterte, habang yung ibang mga lugar naghihirap, pakonti-konti naayos niya yung peace and order at sistema sa Davao. That's why in 2016, people recognized that kind of leadership. Ano ba sinasabi ni Presidente madalas? Hindi pwedeng 3 days hindi pwedeng 1 buwan na sa mesa. Hindi pwedeng 3 days. Hindi nyo pwedeng pabalik-balikin ng requirements. So let me ask you honestly here sa DSWD. Ilan ang guilty at ilan ang inosente na pinagbabalik-balik nyo yung mga kailangan ng requirements? So far, I've identified 4 regional directors. Yung iba naman, maganda naman. And I think you've already removed 1. No?